The most precious gift. A wise woman who was traveling in the mountains found a precious stone in a stream. The next day she met another traveler who was hungry, and the wise woman opened her bag to share her food with him. The hungry traveler saw the precious stone and asked her to give it to him. She did so without hesitation. The traveler left rejoicing in his good fortune. He knew that the stone was worth enough to give him security for a lifetime, but a few days later he came back to return the stone to the wise woman. I have been thinking, he said. I know how valuable this stone is, but I give it back in the hope that you can give me something even more precious. Give me what you have within you and that enable you to give me this stone. Sometimes it's not the wealth you have, but what's inside you that others need. We all think gifts mean something visible, something costly. Most precious gifts are always free. Thank you for listening to the story. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.